In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 error called inconsistent information in Vertex and Coedge attributes. This is a fairly common error that appears in Autodesk Fusion when the software detects corrupted or invalid geometry inside a body. You'll usually see it when performing operations like combine, stitch, extrude, or sometimes when editing features in the timeline. The good news is that this issue is usually easy to fix once you understand what causes it. I'm going to walk you through several proven methods that can quickly repair the problem and get your model working again. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right into the first fix. The first thing you should try is recreating the feature that failed. Often this error happens because a specific feature in the timeline generated unstable geometry. To fix it, go to the bottom of your Fusion 360 window and look at the timeline. Find the feature that triggered the error, which might be an extrude, combine fillet, or another modeling operation. Right-click that feature and either edit it or delete it entirely. After removing it, recreate the same operation again using the original sketch or bodies. Rebuilding the feature forces Fusion's geometry engine to regenerate the edges and vertices, which often removes the inconsistency that caused the error. The next thing to check is your sketch geometry. Many Fusion modeling errors come from sketches that contain small issues like overlapping lines, tiny edges, or small gaps between endpoints. To inspect this, right-click the sketch used in the failed feature and choose Edit Sketch. Zoom in closely on corners and intersections and make sure lines actually connect. Remove duplicate lines, trim overlapping geometry, and delete extremely small segments that may confuse the geometry kernel. After cleaning up the sketch, finish the sketch and try running the feature again. Another useful fix is simplifying the model. Complex geometry can sometimes create unstable edges that Fusion struggles to process. Look through your timeline for heavy features like fillets, chamfers, or complicated surface operations. Temporarily suppress or delete these features and see if the error disappears. If it does, you can rebuild those details later, once the main body geometry is stable. Simplifying the model often prevents geometry conflicts that lead to Vertex and Coedge attribute errors. If your model was imported from another CAD program, the issue may come from the imported file itself. STEP, IGS, and other formats can sometimes bring in imperfect geometry. In this case, try re-exporting the file from the original software if possible. You can also delete the imported body and import the file again into Fusion 360. Reimporting sometimes rebuilds the geometry in a cleaner way that Fusion can process correctly. Another very effective fix is exporting and reimporting the body directly from Fusion. Right-click the body in the browser panel, export it as a step file and save it to your computer. Then create a new design or insert that step file back into your project. This process rebuilds the geometry and removes many hidden inconsistencies inside edges and vertices. A quick tip to remember is that this error usually appears when Fusion's geometry kernel detects inconsistent edges or vertices inside a body. Rebuilding features, cleaning sketches, simplifying geometry, or re-importing the model will usually solve the issue quickly. And that's how to fix the inconsistent information in Vertex and Coedge attributes error in Autodesk Fusion 360. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.